Hi guys, in this short tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat My Eyes Only. First thing, open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager, open the apps like this. Now you have to wait a few seconds on this page. After that you have to scroll until you find Snapchat. Click on Snapchat, click on this stop or force stop option, and then go to notifications management. And now on this page, or what you want to do is disable the notifications and enable them back, and then go to the storage, click on clear data and click on delete, and then go back into the settings of your phone, go to the wireless and networks, go to the airplane mode, enable it and disable it after a few seconds. And the last thing you want to do is make sure to update your Snapchat in the Play Store or the App Store. Don't forget to like, subscribe.